There's a big myth out there. AI will replace people. Let's set the record straight for you. AI won't replace you. What it will replace are wasted hours and repetitive tasks. AI can help you brainstorm, draft, or organize, but it's still you who adds the story, the expertise, the human touch. Think of it like having an assistant who never sleeps, but who doesn't have your experience. It doesn't have your humor or your personality. That's why AI is a tool, not a threat. Use it to support you in your work and not replace it. This is day 5 of the Daily Spark, and I'm here to show you how to work with AI, not to fear it. See you tomorrow.